the Redneck Cruiser. That's me. That's right. That's right. It's me. It's me. It's me. You see me? Yeah, I'm not on a cruise ship. I'm in my truck, wishing I was on a cruise ship because the real world sucks. I like being out there. I like being out there on the sea. Hey, so you're searching this video looking for ways to smuggle in liquor. Now, I've been looking at the same videos. I've been looking at a lot of this stuff, and I just go and I think, why? Why do people want to smuggle liquor in? I mean, you could already afford a vacation. I mean, shoot, you could pay it out for a year, 2 years in advance. Put some money aside for your liquor. Why are you trying to smuggle in and risk everything? Don't you realize that these cruise lines make money not off of us just our, to board. They make it off of gambling, liquor, little bingo games, take little pictures. That's where they make their money at. And for you to sit there and just smuggle stuff in, you're basically stealing. You're stealing from the cruise ship. Not only that, you're ruining it for the rest of us. Why do I say that? Well, I mean, recently Carnival stopped allowing you to bring the plastic bottles of Coke. And that makes me mad because I can't stand Dr. Pepper out of a can. I can drink it, but, it is what it is. I'd rather out of a bottle. But now you got to drink out of a can. Why? Because people smuggle in liquor. For what? For what? Are you trying to be rebellious? Are you just... I don't understand it. Explain to me. I mean, type it out in the comments. Because it's something I don't understand. Because I think if you could afford a cruise, you could afford some liquor. And to all the people out there, the content creators who are out there showing off ways to ruin a good bottle of mouthwash, don't you realize that the cruise lines are watching? And so now they're going to go up in our frigging luggage and checking out our mouthwash. How crazy is that? So stop. Just stop. Just go. And I know my video is not going to change anyone's opinions. But just stop. Just buy it. Stop smuggling in. Listen, how old are you? I see a lot of people are like in their 40s and 50s. I'm like, dude, for real. Get your liquor. And listen, I understand the reason why people do it, right? Because maybe these cruise lines don't have their favorite liquor. I understand because I like Shiner Bock, and, well, Carnival doesn't have Shiner Bock. At least the ones I've been on. No Shiner Bock. But, do I go on there to get drunk? No. I know a lot of people do. There's nothing wrong with that. Hey, you're on a cruise, you're on vacation. It's your vacation. Get drunk. Go do what you do. Have fun. But don't risk getting kicked off or not allowed to board or getting some kind of trouble because you're just wanting to bend the rules because to save a little bit of money. It's not worth it to me. So, just buy your liquor. Buy your liquor, for crying out loud. And stop all this rule breaking. Oh, stupid. Anyways, hey, my name is the Redneck Cruiser, and I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, sir. I'm not drunk right now. I wish I was. I wish I was out there in the middle of the ocean. That's where I wish I was. But I'm not. I'm at work. 73.